Shit, have I been muted this whole time? Did I just unmute to cough? I'm sorry. I've been explaining things. I don't know if I was muted. I'm not gonna re-explain. No one's here. Whatever. Okay. Anyways, what I'm doing. We're gonna write these down and retest the breeding algorithm, make sure everything's either working or it will be fixed. No. Got those. I don't think wild matters. I'm pretty sure it's set to 0. Okay. Okay. So we're looking at inherit stat. What we got? So first of all, let me look at the Python. We'll see what's passed to it. Our understanding of things. Looks like just the base address. What base address? Okay, so the base address of attack or whatever. So we're currently looking at, it's in probably HL. CB13. CB13 is HP. I say current HP, but I suppose we'll double check that today as well. Huh. Oh, okay, so it is max HP. It's assigning it to current HP. I don't actually assign these at all. Whoops. Okay. Okay. CB13. We want the memory view. CB13. We're looking at poll. Oh, poll's just the first one. Right. Looking at the first one in the list of monsters here. Okay. Presumably that is the max. It is the second one. And what I have in my notes is that it's current and then max. So that is according to these notes, but we'll double check this as well. Not the whole thing, but just the current max, because I did recheck the whole thing a bit ago, but I didn't check these specifically. Because I have to go into battle and get hurt or something. Inherit stat. We've passed that in. BA4. Is that the difference between the first one and the Temporary pedigree monster. That seems like a lot, actually. What do I want? Not... Ah, this one. Okay. So looking at x of OXCAC1 plus OX. I already forgot it. B. And there it is. Oh, I see. A little not 4. Gotcha. So that's D665. So that puts us at... Yeah, the pedigree. Okay. Pedigree. Okay, so that offsets us into pedigree monster. Where is that addition? BA4 here. Will be A4. It is properly a 16-bit addition. So that would give us the attack of the pedigree monster. And then we add, right, selectables monster size -1. Gets us to the other monster. I think it's still called that. Okay. Loads them into BA. With A and C to back it up. And then let's see, loads the lower byte into A here, adds it to the original lower byte, which is stored in C. Backs up that addition into C. Loads the higher byte into A and adds B from up here. So that is what it's doing, okay. Then it does this SRL, etc. thing, so that one we're gonna double check. So now we currently should have the two values added together in BC, which is 1 to B, $2.99, and our values were HP So yeah, 190 plus 109, 299. Okay, so we're good there. Now, in terms of the shifting, we'll just see what the final value is. 4A is the final value in BC. $74. So that, I believe that should be, yeah. This just is a Python adjustment. This explains it explains the assembly, and this is what actually happened. So yeah, it's what we got here. Okay, we're good so far. Okay, now get selected monster or base or so we're popping HL for that. Which is why it's Basiter. It's what was passed in. And then calling get selected monster address. So get selected monster address. What was the selected monster? Is that the egg? I think that is the egg, yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty positive. Oh, that's why it's setting to current HP, because it sets it to both. I gotcha. It sets it to the max here, and then it also sets it to the current. That makes sense. I still do want to double check though. But that it's just pulling, you know, the stat and setting it there. If I say it's max HP, it's probably max HP. But we'll double check for sure later. Okay, storing that. Okay, and we want to go into here, and we want to see the values here. Now, in our number of different parent names, increment if different from breeder name. Okay, so what we've said this does is it compares 9 bytes starting at HL, the character's name and another byte. The character's name and the other byte is what I'm calling the identifier in this code. It is a byte that is just somewhere in RAM. I suppose it's a, you know, discriminator. That does appear to be stored with the monster data as well. So first of all, we have D671. Passing that in. And C, where C is what? The value we're incrementing? Yes. Okay, so it sets C here, and then this sets C in here, basically, is what's happening. Okay, fair enough. Now, D6, 7, 1. That is... Whoops. I hate when I do that. Oh, we're comparing that to the egg, right? So these... Where is the selected monster address? Oh, I think I wrote down the egg address though, didn't I? You know, I wouldn't be surprised if I got it slightly off if I was following something near the base address. And that's what we're going to be looking for. I didn't write it down. Oh, I guess it's arbitrary. Hey CG, welcome, welcome. Good evening. We are reviewing a function that I reversed before because I'm pretty sure I got it slightly wrong, and we're going to figure it out. Why you look at the code? It's my jam. I like this sort of stuff as much, if not more, than playing games. Need to learn to code? Ah. Well, I'm happy to explain anything, so please ask questions if you do have questions. I make it a point to say what the assembly's doing if it seems unclear. But I don't really explain the Python. So, in C++, oh no. Good luck. I am not a C++ fan, but I know it's very popular, especially in the game industry, game development industry. It is what it is, right? You gotta use what your field does. I'm gonna make an OS system, but I know it's going to be in developmental hell. Yeah. Most OSs just build off Linux because it's not remotely worth investing all that time in, but it depends what you do, right? Temple OS was made based on actual standard protocols because they're old enough to be standard, VGA and stuff. Makes life a lot easier, right? But it also limits your limits what your OS is capable of. So I make a not crappy screen sharing OS system. I'm not sure what you mean. Hey Wiry, welcome, welcome. Good evening. Alright, what was I looking at? We're looking at smart whiteboards they have in schools and colleges. Yeah. Yeah, few chat apps have them too, I suppose. Ah. Oh, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. If it's an embedded project like that, where you control the hardware, that's a lot easier, for sure. Make an OS system for those to sell too. Cool. Smartboard OS from where I go to school apparently is just a phone operating system. It runs Android or something, yeah. That seems reasonable. A lot of like TVs and stuff just run Linux too because it's easier. And a lot of IoT devices in general. You can get pretty, pared down Linux if you get like damn small Linux or something, which is the name of the distribution and stuff. You can really minimize what you put on it. It's cheap, but it doesn't work for its life. It's laggy on typing and freezes commonly. Crashes a good amount of the time too. Ooh, that's never fun. Is there an open source one you can like contribute to, perhaps? Wow. Okay. I want to be here. Okay, so we want to look up the selected monster address. Should be... if we go to selected monster, that one, CAC0, and then just do the math ourselves, we'll get the start. I think that's probably going to be the easiest. CAC0, 09, so 09 times the size. Oops, the size is 149, I think. It's been a while. Yeah, 149. Okay, and then we want the hex of OXC 0C1, was it? I don't remember. CA C1. Okay, so CFFE should be the start of the monster, selected monster where the egg is going. Looks correct to me. Oh, you don't think there's an open source one? It's always worth checking first. Definitely, you might be surprised, right? A lot of people have those sorts of ideas. But yeah, if not, go for it. It's always good to learn with a goal in mind because it gives you something to link the concepts to as you're learning them, An OS would be a ridiculous first project, but if it's what you want to do, definitely do it. I would say look at the hardware first. Make sure you know what it is, what you're getting into. In regards to that. It may very well be that C++ is too powerful, too bulky for the hardware, but if it's running Android or something, then probably not. Okay. we are here, so we want to look at D671. What is D671? That should be some portion of the pedigree, I believe. Does the home get me to the top? No, it just gets me to the start of the line. Let's just make this smaller. Pedigree is here, D665. Okay. D671. I think that's, yeah. D671 minus X. D. I want to say 665. Let's also confirm that 665 is correct. I would imagine it is, but looks correct. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay, so C, according to the notes, at least can do very basic coding in C for robotics. Oh, okay. That's good. That'll be a good start for doing that then. OC is definitely the master name. Okay. Then we say E8. It's 83. What else we got? F1. $706. 770. And 786. According to our notes, that should be the master name. 83 is the dad's name. 8C is the mom's name. You don't have A1. Oh, I see, because those are not... Those are looking at the breeding monster, so D6FA. Oops. Oh yeah. 8-6. Why are you like this? There we go. FA, yeah, so those are all the same. There's definitely 100% something off about this though, so I'm going to have to dig deeper. Those numbers may be what they are, but it's just not... It's not right. Or this number isn't used how I think it's used. Or something. I don't know yet. Okay, so we got to here. Everything else looks fine, but we got to here. Now... Let's go into the first comparison. CA42. What's CA42? Oh, that's the player name. Gotcha. So it's a reading from CA42 comparing to what's in HL D671. So we want to look at HL in memory. So that's what I expected. This is... Oh yeah, who's Moha? Huh. Okay. What? How do I... Can I pin this above? I don't think so. Oh, what I can do is go here. Do you show HL? Oh, you don't, do you? Maybe if I go to CPU. I don't think it does. I think I have to be in this one. Okay, well, whatever. Oh, it's still equal, so it's jumping. Okay, as soon as it's not equal, then it increments. Where are we in the name now? We are currently on this byte. Oh, shoot. Well, we increased HL, but... Okay. So we got through this byte, so it is the byte that comes after. Part of the name. Discriminator, I guess, is for real. Discriminator now. The next one. D6. Whatever. If we look at the memory, that is right there. It is looking at the name of the parent. Not the name of the trainer, the name of the parent. The name of the trainer would be here. So it is for sure doing this. It is for sure doing this. But why, I don't know. It's different, so it increases C. And this is different, so it increases C. Okay, so in any event, we got... Why is C only 2? Why is C only 2? That's odd. I would expect C here if that was truly the case overall to be higher. Crap. Okay, let's redo this. File, state, load state. Reading bazooka. Okay, and face. Okay. Okay, so we want to play this to here. Okay. So after that call, C is 0, that makes sense. It shouldn't be a 1 because the names are the same. After this call, it becomes 1, and after this call, it becomes 2. Why is it doing a comparison here? Oh. So it always compares. Okay, it always compares that. It always compares the owner name of the monster. But in terms of the other part, it only does these checks if the ID isn't FF, which I have presumed it's the ID, and that's probably correct, but D7, oh yeah, we can double check. D7 15 monster ID of Dad. Yeah. Hey Pet Bazooka, welcome. Good evening, good evening. Okay, so anyways, it makes sense that it's 2. That's fair. I get it, I get it. Say this condition unmet, doesn't call it, so C is 2, okay, fair enough. Now we return. Now what do we do with that value? We have C of 2. And it was moved to A. I was like, oh my god, they've erased it already. No, it was moved to A. Okay. Mul 16 times 8 to 24. That, I believe, the times 8 is the A. So it takes the A, multiplies HL. So what's an HL currently? HL is D7 8 6. Okay, and it outputs oh, that's I'm looking at the wrong one. This one. Mole 16 times 8. We're at 24. So it's taking in BC, which is 4A, which is the divided value. So it's multiplying. See, we had 299 divided by 4. And the hex of that is 4A. Okay, yeah. So we have that, and we're now multiplying that by 2. So we got 148, which in hex is 94, and we're expecting that result to be returned in HL. E plus HL. So E should be zeroed. I did not mean to go inside. E is zeroed, HL is 94. That was correct? That is correct. Okay, and then we then divide that result by 32. I think that might be the step I missed. Oh no, that's the... Wait, huh? Oh, I see, I see. Yeah, okay, that's the result of the multiplication. This together is the result of the multiplication. Okay, so we do HL divided by 50, sorry. I think I do have that. Oh, x32 should be 50, yeah. Okay, never mind, got that. What next? Okay, so... gives us 2. And BC was 4A, that's the original divide by 4. Add HL. Okay. So... So far everything's looking correct, but where did we lose? Okay. We can definitely say 148 divided by 50 is indeed 2. In the integer division. Now, now, added that to BC, which is this, right? Okay, and then it says put HL, which was the result, right, of the addition, into BC. It puts C into A, which is the lower part of the addition, and ORs that with B, which is just a way to check that BC has a value. If it was 0, then it would set it to 1 here, which is this portion here. Now we pop HL. HL is an address, looks like. Probably the original address. And then why does none of this look wrong? What? Something's wrong, but it's not wrong. I don't get it. I'm gonna have to do 2 red monsters and see what happens. Anyways, HLDO50. You look at the memory editor. Go to I hate how it just deletes my results sometimes. It's a PowerShell crap thing. CFFE. Okay. So if we say hex of OXD 050 minus OX CFFE, it's 52. We are surely placing that in the max HP. Why doesn't this seem wrong? Maybe it's different for HP and other stats. I don't think so, though. Man, that just sets it to the current, sets the current HP to the same value. Something's not right. I don't get it. Don't get it. I don't get it at all. It has to be further adjusted. It has to be. Okay, so we did did all that math. It has placed the value into memory here as 4c. 4c is indeed 4a plus 2, which is 76. I didn't look at the pluses. I don't remember how to do that. So put HPMP first because apparently those are done first. HP should be 76. Alright, let's do that for all of them real quick. How best to do this? Okay. Say pedigree equals 190, 201, 152, 130, 155, 128. Other equals 109, 137, 57, 68, 58, 82. Now for each of these, we are calculating the result of x plus y divided by 4 plus x times 2 plus x plus y divided by 50. Oh, what did I mess up? Wait, where did the times 2 come into play? Oh! Oh! It's not that, it's this. No, even that's off. Oh, I forgot to divide by 4 here. Okay, okay. I see. So... is that what I'm saying here? BC hasn't changed, it's the divide by 4, so divide by 4 plus HL divide by 50. Yeah, okay, I did that part right. So let me look at my tweet. Maybe I'm just stupid. Maybe I didn't do anything wrong at all. I think I have it up. Okay, here it is. I did do it wrong. Okay. I will correct the tweet. At least I understand it now. Let's hatch this egg and be sure, completely 100% sure that this is going to work. I believe it will. PR is fine. Going to... no. Okay. Okay, info for the pillow rat. But it is different. Oh wait, no it's not. Sorry, I was looking at the stats in the wrong order. Okay, HP on top. So 76, 87, 54, 50, 55, 54. Okay. So it works. We have it correct. I just wrote it in real math wrong on my tweet. Okay. At least I'm not totally crazy, only a little crazy. I will fix that. I just have to make a new image for it, and I don't know if I'm going to do that on stream. The next things for breeding are those functions that are undefined. Oh, actually, real quick. Let's find... Where's the memory editor? There it is. Let's find PR. He should be at CFF, whatever. Right, yeah, it's PR. Okay. We got 4C, 4C. So if we change this one to 4B... Yep, okay. Current first. Just had to double check that. I don't want to leave it that way. Well, it doesn't matter. I'm resetting. Okay. Now. Those functions that aren't done yet. I don't know what I changed. There's these functions, that is. And this one. And this too. What are these all about? How do we get to them? Are those the top ones? I forgot already. Oh, I can go by the yellow on the right there. Derp. Okay, so you... you're called for some sort of zeroing or something. Well, let's just write them down. There's no real order to these at the moment, but I suppose I should put them in order. I'll just go there. Oh, that's a quick one. A equals RAM OX C86C. What? Seems familiar. Well, whatever. Or so if A is not 0, we return. Otherwise, we set D9E6 to 0 and then return. Okay. You seen this? I feel like I've seen it. Zero for normal breeding. Okay, this is probably the link cable. Breeding stuff, which I can't. Maybe I could do it? I wonder. I have no idea how though. Do this one real quick. Hopefully. And I don't know, we can move to an attack or something. If this ends up being fast. Oh, no, it doesn't look fast. Holy moly. I don't even know what this could possibly be doing. And see. All through there anyways, so we want to say less than F0. OX DA6F. It looks like that A is discarded immediately, so we can reduce that to just this. And we call label 585FF, presumably passing A. And then we set this to A again. And we say if RAM OXDA71 does not equal and we return. As if it was equal, it would set 0 flag. So then, yeah. Probably -1, but 585. Okay, what else here? Finish this off. RAM OXD DA 1 equals... I can't see anything, man. RAM OXD A70. And then we call... RST301 would be... label C013. Here I suppose I can do that one. A equals RAM OX C864. Huh. What does RST0 do? Label 0? Huh? No, if A and or I guess I say if not at, then A equals OX C865. I'm not going to do that right this second. I will probably take a look later. Otherwise, presumably that's some sort of return. Or no, I think it just does a label. Or it does this, right? It is a jump table. Shoot. I think that's what it does. Yeah. Pop HL. What was pushed? Oh. The RST pushes the return address onto the stack. And then it adds the A to that. And the return address would be the address after this command, so it would be the start of this table here. And then, yeah, it does adds, multiplies the index by 2 with this add A, and then adds that to the HL. And then pulls that value into HL and jumps there. Okay, so there's A can be 0, 1, 2, 3. 0. Say label up with a equals 1. $140. 2, 3, 182, 1B7. And then here we say if 6, then oh no, it's not an if, sorry. Not pay attention, we're setting it, so it's or equals 6. Now set that to C864 equals A, and then return. Okay. Oh. Yeek. Said real quick, but it's so big. What is it doing? I have no idea. Sure is a lot to it. I call something else. Oh my lord. Label 12220. Where's RSB? Did I name something that? No. Do I have that in my docs here? Oh, on my Game Boy docs open. Dev Game Boy. RSB is not mentioned. I'm confused. FF01. Oh. Oh. It seems to be... Yeah, this is serial communication, so this is the link cable code. We don't need to reverse engineer the link cable code. I'm not interested in doing that. I have an A equals here. I didn't even get started on that. Okay, I assume that's probably true for all of this, maybe? I don't see any other mentions of RSP. Oh, that's not there yet. Okay, 140. Doesn't mention it. I think I want to do this though. Yeah. I don't know what this could possibly be. Some sort of setup code though. I don't think it's important. I don't want to do any more of this. I'm sick of it. I don't know what it's doing. I have what I want from the reading algorithm, I think. So never mind finishing this stuff. Let's do something else. A different function at least. Should I? Do I care? Not really. Oh, I remember kind of what this was. I was searching for reads from something, and this triggered. It's not actually called anywhere. Well, it's not actually called by the rest of this code. I think this was for writing messages. So we don't care about those three then. Not really, at least. Okay, I'm done. Let's go to battles. More battle stuff. I feel like reading's complete with that. If it's just gonna be setup and other stuff, I thought it was gonna be, I don't know, something worth reversing, and it doesn't feel like it. What do you guys want to reverse? Should we start at the top? Please. Where did I find the table? Done with that. Did I write it down here? Surely. Skill function table. That's the one. God, why do I keep doing that? Okay. So it looks like the three blazes. Blaze, blaze, more blaze, most all call the same function. Blaze, attack. This is level. Let me change the stream title too. What? Stop it. Okay. Good, good, good. Blaze attack, I can spell. Blaze attack. We got label 149 BFF 149 4E7 and then it returns okay, so let's start with BFF, I suppose. 149 BFF goes before the A's for that one. Right in here. Tough. Maybe I should label all these actually. How about we do that real quick? I want to. Oh, you were alive. Sorry, sending you a mob of pics. Oh, I don't have Discord open, so I wasn't looking. But yes, hello. Welcome, Oven. Welcome, welcome. Okay. Now if we take comma space and replace that with a new line. Ooh. Replace every tab with a nothing. And suddenly we have all of the labels here. Day one of con went well. I didn't even know you were going to a con. Oh, that con. I remember now. I didn't realize that was soon. Overspent as usual, yes. Of course. I don't even set budgets. Yeah. Probably should. Alright, so we need that in this flavor. Open in memory editor, so this is 5241 CD. Replace this with 2, 4. Perhaps that is all of them. Huh? Okay. Look for this label and check that. The memory editor 52501F. I'm going to remove the rest of the underscores. And confirm real quick this is correct. 5, 2, 4. Yeah, okay. Budget of $500 set for the whole 3 days. I sent $400 today already. Uh-oh. They got all the discounts on the last day, too. Alright, now we take the skill resi and we say Yes, all these. I don't know. Whenever it stops. How many lines are there? 222. So it goes down to this ah. We'll shift off. Take those. Go over here. Check real quick. This is space. It is a space. Space. Blaze most. Okay. Now we'll just call that explode it, attack. Maybe, wait, no. Take that back. We're gonna say skill. Skill blaze. Yeah. Is it okay to overspend? Can you have a flexible budget? Spend some on food. Though, if you find some one of those guys at the con, you know, you can maybe get some free food. Last con I went to, I asked in chat if anyone wanted to get sushi, and someone was like, "Hey, come over. We already bought a ton of sushi." I was like, "Awesome!" So I went over and got free sushi from this guy who bought everything on the sushi menu. Alright. Alright, now we need to remove the duplicates. So first of all, we say this, and we say DA through F colon plus Bible study earlier. Oh no, was it Bible Black? Don't look that up. The rest of you don't look that up. Similar. Oh no. Okay, so we want to remember the first... Wait. But no, I only want the first one. Okay, no, this isn't how this works. Okay. We do want that there, and then we want the new line. Well, we want to remember the new line, I guess. And then we say one hot star with another new line there. Can I not back? Do I have to use a $sign? Can you not do back references and VS Code search? I might Google that. That seems like a silly limitation. VS Code search back references. Okay, apparently it's a setting. So this might just be... I think that's for multiple files, never mind, I don't know. Everything's asking about search and replace. I know how to do it and replace. I just want to search. Oh, maybe it's that setting. Okay, let's try that. Let's search. Never mind. I don't know. That is strange. Did I get the regex wrong? I don't think so. Oh, I did one. I should be doing two. Oh, okay. I'm stupid. Yay. Okay. That will reduce any situations in which they are next to each other. Now let's quickly make sure oh, there are some others. skill K. I'm gonna do this a little more, manually. The heck? Poison hit uses the normal attack. Run uses the normal attack? Step guard? Whistle? What? Why do these all use the same as poison hit? I think the thing that cost the most was the onesie I bought from the booth. It was 100 something. A onesie? Like a kigurumi? Oh. What was it of? I think this is probably the strangest one. Psych Up and Twin Slash are the same. A sage-colored cow one. Interesting. Psych Up and Twin Slash being the same kind of makes sense. Kind of. The rest of them don't. The annoying thing is the map one's not in here. If it was, then I could just say out of battle things as well as these. That's dumb. Maybe I'll just put an underscore there. I think that's fine. I'll put a slash there. It's not gonna care. Not a valid name, but I'll do an underscore, it's fine. Attack, run, poison hit. The other ones I think are understandable enough. It's not really a problem. But these just don't make enough sense. Filth Zone we don't care about. Thick Fog and D-Magic being the same. I think Filth Zone is the same as Thick Fog. We'll say D-Magic and Thick Fog. Play D. Which defense is this? Two skill runs, all caps. Say forward, VTuber art this year was decent as well. They had more Hollow Advent this time. Oh way. Ludi boy. Leave that as skill run, I guess. Bee dragon. Play D defense. I assume that's regular defense. Play D defense. I'm gonna put. Well, that's not a skill, I guess. How's the breeding go? How'd the breeding go? Good. I figured out what was wrong. It wasn't my code that was wrong. It was when I wrote the math for the tweet, I wrote it wrong. So I'll fix it up later. Okay, no more duplicates. And I decided to go back to attacks because, yeah. I think those go in here. That's fine. I'm gonna put those at the end though, because they're not skills. Okay. Alrighty. Let's go to skill. Lays. Okay, and now we go to this one. And we write that out. Label 14A66 14A7BB. That seems like it's a resistance check, but it's not. Okay, so that's the value is a 4, and then let's. But I was doing that differently, I think, wasn't I? Somewhere, something, somehow, by some manner. I feel like I was. You? No. Do you even check resistance? Maybe it doesn't. This one does, though. Somewhere. Here we go. Defeats resistance value. Oh, wait. Guess not. Oh, that's what C860 is. Why is it searching for it? Okay, so A equals that. Oop. Now we call label. Oops, label 1 more A 756. That one's defined. We haven't specified an HL. I assume one of these returns HL. $66. That's here. And then we got 7BB. 7BB. Here. Okay, 6. B66. Go. Can I make this smaller? Yeah. It's in the way. Okay. Attack index in use. Do I have that somewhere? Let's just unbound int. Okay. Cool. It's not the address, but we can do that. Okay, so RAM OXDB4C equals that. Then RAM DB4D is zeroed here. So if RAM OX C8 6C, so that's the RNG, right? Oh, it's not, but it's related to it. Or something. Okay, whatever. It's reused a lot. It comes up a lot. Maybe we'll figure it out someday. C8, C6. So if that is non-zero, then it jumps here. So if it is 0, then we do this code. Okay. I think this is fine. So let me say A equals OXOB 11 else. This part A RAM OXDB 88. Say bit 2 of that. So, okay, I'll say if and if that is 0, we set A to 11. Otherwise, we set A to 15. Okay, so this is essentially an OR statement then. Then we say RAM OXDB for E equals A. Oh, and we call a foreign address. Okay, 54.1. 54. Oh wait, I did the wrong function on that one, didn't I? The 0 base. Shoot. Label 15126E. BRB, okay. I'll figure that out in a sec. One second. Where was that RST? It was what called... It was what called this one. What was that? So that wasn't actually a call. Thankfully. Maybe that would have been more interesting to pursue than not fill in any other labels there. Okay, good. So we can just delete that. It's fine. Don't need that. What? There's no way. It's the only one there. Okay. A equals B for C. C equals that rather. B equals RAM XDB for D. So we'll do that like that. That should be bytes, so we'll parse it. Or it's int dot from bytes. RAM little the BC. Okay. Now we say HL equals what is that? 150013. Ah. I don't know where I was. That wasn't the right one. Here it is. 15126E. Okay, so if we assume it's there, and then we say plus BC plus BC. Then HL equals ROM. Well, it's some table anyways. We should probably just name the table and say that it's at this location. Table. Let's just call it that. Table is a list of events anyways. Oh, so times that by 2 since we're just gonna write that here. Table of 2 byte addresses. Functions, I assume. Might look. Oh, no. Okay. Now we got some data. In HL A X DB4 E We add that into HL. And HL plus equals that, and then we say put that into suppose going by this, the table indexes into other tables, and those tables are of bytes, I think. But, I guess we just say a list of bytes then, and say table of 2 byte addresses that point to tables of bytes. So then, in essence, we can bypass this by saying that this is actually a table now, and we're indexing okay, like that. Now we have the value in BC. So that's interesting. The index is bytewise, but it's pulling 2 bytes from it. Huh. Okay. Pulling 3 bytes from it? Okay. RAM OX EB4E equals table index plus 3. Which is the one that we got the index from. Oh, very strange. Then these are what we got. Well, this was C. C was the first index in the table, and then D was the... This is not +3, it's +2. And that's that? What could this possibly be doing? Okay, so it's set. Looking for DB4C through DB4E. Okay, DB4C is the attack index in use. DB4D was 0. DB4E is either 11 or 15. Okay. So the attack index in use for our case is 0. And 11 or 15 is... It's DB88. Is that... Huh? I think it's supposed to be like that. Presumably caster's level. So DB88 is some sort of index or something. Or offset. Some sort, maybe? I don't know. Okay, so 4C is 0, 4D is 0. So we're looking at 0. Does this table actually have that many entries? $222 entries. No. It's less than 1 byte. But for some reason it's doing a lookup by 2 bytes. Oh, it multiplies by 2. That's probably why. So in the 0 case, we're looking here. So this is... whatever. So we're looking at 11 or 15, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so we got C003. So C is going... C is going into where the attack index went. Why? Baseball? Zero and 03. 03 is... I am ready, hoping to double my brain cells today. To 2 today. Welcome, welcome. Good evening, 5th. I gave up on breeding for now, and well, for now, I think I'm done with breeding forever. I'm back to attack, so I was looking at Blaze. But I'm very confused by this. Maybe it's like not related content, it's just passing that back, but very strange. So we can say if 11, then this is XOC, XOC, X. OXOC, OX00, and then 3, I don't know why I said OX00, I know what that is. Welcome back, Alvin. Okay. This is OX. If it's 15, then it's here. 0, 7, 9, 11, 12, 14, 15. Oh, no. So at 7, 0, 5. Okay. Whatever. I'll probably attack with it and confirm that, but that's what I'm getting. Alright. I think it was in here, right? That was this. No, that was this call here. The RST. Okay, let me see. Definitely seems like HL is some sort of address. Or something. HL equals... Didn't I do like a thing for this? Was it in here or was it in the other one? Or, that's the same one. I feel like I did a get address from RAM function somewhere to make my life easier. Yeah. I don't know why I bother saying from that, but just say I guess we can say B RAM like that and just say B and that works. Okay. So that's the address. Okay, goes into HL, and then we say call label 14A 79C. Some sort of loop or something? Or what? No? It's just an end. What? What happened? Okay, open reference hierarchy. Whoa, a lot of things go there. Weird. I'll just make it a separate function then. Label. Say return 14A 706. Oh, it was the one. Haha. Okay. Wait, attack target index. EB989. Do I not have that one? Attack target index. Okay. Okay, so we need to define this one now. A79C. Okay. Wow. Not many? Interesting. We'll just go directly there then. Okay, so we say A equals RAM x db4e. B2. Okay, it does fall through there. So we want to say if A, then we do this branch here. A plus equals 1 for the ink. Then put it into C. A equals RNG state. I think that's how I've been doing it. Right? Yeah. Okay. Taking 1 bite of the RNG state. RNG state is 2 bites. Normally. And this is some sort of loop. How does it loop? C. Okay. Seems to be... hold on. Look up sub. C is set if no borrow. Right. So when we do the subtraction, if it goes negative. Okay, so we want to say while C, or actually while A is greater than 0. So we say if A is less than C, then we break. Otherwise, C minus equals, no wait, A minus equals C. And it's not quite a break. So... Oh, I'm so very confused. How do you represent this as a proper loop? This load AC only happens if the loop finishes naturally, right? So if C and C, so if not carry, so if A is still greater than 0, if A is greater than, no wait, A is greater than 0, we loop. If A is less than 0, less than equal, oh, this is greater than equal to. If A is less than 0, then we set A to C and break. So this isn't really the case because that's not even checked first. Okay. A disgusting loop. Stop. No. HL. This is just HL plus equals A. So what has this actually done here? I feel like this is some sort of least common divisor or something. So A was a random number. C is the value we've passed in from db4e plus 1. If the random number is less than C, we use that number. Otherwise, we subtract C from it. This loop would only run once, right? Or am I crazy? No. Okay, so say A is... or say C is... say C is 2 RNG state, so A, make that like 50. Yeah, that would run multiple times. Okay. But what is that ultimately? What is the function here? Because I'm pretty sure some sort of least common divisor. It does subtract C until subtract C from A until A is less than C. Isn't this like a... maybe this is a modulus. Okay, so say, let's do... it's 53 prime. I don't know. I'll just go with 53. And say C is 3. And then... so it does... -3 until... keeps doing -3 until it's... until the result is less than 3. So... 10, 15, 20... I don't know. Just do guesses here. Okay, so 17. Okay, so it loops 17 times or whatever. Gets us a 2. Is that a modulo? Yes. But I'm concerned by this other case here. It doesn't make any sense. For a modulo. But in what instance would A ever be less than 0 after that? That wouldn't happen, right? I'm thinking about it. So... the only way for A to end up less than 0 would be if C was greater than A. Yeah, but that would happen. Now if C is greater than A, sorry, then that would break here. C was equal to A, we get it to 0, but then A would be less than C on the next loop. And I wouldn't have triggered this. So this case never happens. I'm pretty sure. At least I can't imagine it ever happening. I have to do GT. Ugh, Rick's gonna come in here and bug me soon, isn't he? I'll do it, I'll do it. I haven't watched the videos yet, but I'll do it. I'm pretty confident. Oh, yeah. So what happens in the other cases when it's... But it's still true. So if this was 60, 53, that's true. Yeah, okay. So this is the only weird case, but it never happens. Pretty confident. Pretty confident. So we can just do that and say mod C. How was this addition here? Okay, and so then this goes here. We say A equals, well, damage done. Okay. Did we need to pass in HL there? We do. Because it's a plus equals. So it essentially takes a 12 or a 7 based on this random and then throws it through this algorithm. Okay. Well, that's the damage done so far, right? It does return HL. Now we have to do this one. Oh, I thought I did all these, but I guess I just missed that one. Or maybe I didn't do all of them, I don't know. I guess I didn't. That is... Compact resistance bite 0. Two, 8. So, no surprise that that is by our notes. Hear that? By our notes. Resistances don't go. I know I'm somewhere. Wait, this should be it. Yeah, here we go. That is this bite, 0, 0. That the blaze is right there, so correct. Resistance 0. Wait, what? Status effect, byte address. Status effect? Oh. A moment, please. This definitely said HL. Oh, okay, right. It calls this, which sets it. Gets this status effect. That's not a status effect, though. That is a... I have no idea. What else is this called? EB05. Oh, that is status effects. DB. Oh, status effects in here. So if 2 is the first one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, okay. What's the eerie light? Okay. Makes sense. Cool. Now... that passes that in there, and then... we'll adjust the damage done. Based on those tables. Okay, which are existing tables, which is interesting. Or I think I just did them all. Is why. Okay, and then we have to figure out this one. So go back to... oh wait, skill... blaze. Probably rename those in here, huh? Skill blaze. Skill beats. Skill vacuum. Okay. So we're going to this. And we're going to place that wherever it belongs for E7. Right here, I believe. Well, OXB 8, 8, 2. A8. Make that one decimal. and that RAM OX DD 6F equals A, so that equals 168. We'll just say this clobbers. An A, and then going to grab that set function as well. And of course, readdress as I was saying. Okay. Set 2 bytes. OX DD70, and we'll set that. Don't know why, but it does it. That's all it does. Wonder what has reference to this. Ooh, lots of things. I think what I'll do for this is say EA. And we'll just, this calls EA with this value, and this is HL int HL. Alright, perfect. There we go. It's only clobbers A, then we know it clobbers HL. Oops. That means that Blaze is done, but that's... one strange thing about this to me is that it's called by Blaze, Blazemore, and Blazemost, but they all do the same thing. Oh, no, it doesn't. Get an EP, so I'll talk to you later. Have a good stream. Okay. Good night, Alvin. Have a good sleep. Have fun at your con. Okay, yeah. So no, it doesn't do... It does do different damage because it... in this one... Right. Excuse me. This function uses... Oh, right, I can do this as the... get... No. It uses that skill as the index into this table, and this table will surely have different values for... I should dump this table. Oops. This table will surely have different values for each. Yep. So that's blaze. This is blaze more, and this is blaze most. Okay. Let's write a dumper for this table. That said, we only know the bytes 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, and 17. So this is some sort of data table for skills. And we only know those bytes from them. And only sort of. Because we never really saw what the third one was. But, this one is used for this passing to this function. So it's used to calculate, or it's used as the base damage. And then it does, oh, okay, that's the third value there. Okay, okay, okay. So it's the base damage and then the kind of max adder to it. Okay, skill data table. Let's open up the dumper. I don't know why I still have dump 2 sitting around. Okay, so I'll just add it here. Def dump base skill table. Dot seek. Base skills. Or wait, no, skill. Let's call it skill table. Skill data table. How about that? Skill data table. Save table equals GB. I don't remember the address anymore though. It was Blair. Yeah. 15, 13. Well, skill names table. It's a 256, but this is 222. There's 222 skills. Right, we don't know what most of these do, so I'll say 1, and then we have base damage. 1. Call it 11, because I don't really know what else to want to call it. And then adder. What is the actual function there? It it's not exactly the max damage, I don't think. This is honestly just so confusing. I need to, like, change this. I'm gonna leave that there, but I'm gonna move this down here as that. I think I'm just going to say this as well. Okay, so it's the modulus is the divider for the random. So the best value you can get as an adder from this would be almost an a plus 1, so it would be the exact value, I believe. Right? Yeah. So it is kind of the max adder. And then we have another unknown. 2, and then we have base damage 15 max. Add. Well, he's about. I don't need all that. Max add 15, and then more unknowns. Okay. Were I in range? 222 to 223. I don't know why I copied it. Okay, so it is 222. Wait, hold on. Okay, so then we read 1 equals f dot read 10 bytes. Right? Yeah. Or 11. Could be. I don't know. It says 19 bytes. Size 19, so I believe we want the 11th byte. A 0 base. I'm losing brain power, I'm sorry. That's 1 byte and we read 1. So yeah, it would be a read 11. Then base damage 11. F dot read 2. Dot from byte little. Then I want that again for the 15, but not just yet. Say max add is f dot read 1. Then unc2 is f dot read 1. That's 1, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay. Yeah, I guess we don't need that. Like that. Okay, okay. Cool. And then we do this and do the same sort of thing again. That's max add this time. And then we do known 3 is whatever the rest of this is. So size of 19. It goes to 18, so this is 15, 16, 17. So there's only the 1 byte after. Okay, so we got unknown 2 hex, unknown 1, and we have base damage max add. Like that, and like those 15s. 3, okay. Maybe I should give it the skill names too. I guess I should. Names. I don't know if that's a list of stir, but I hope so. Don't skill data table. String pointer table. String pointer table. Is that indexable? Get item. It is indeed. Okay, good. That was call that properly a string pointer table. Alrighty. We'll add ID dir name, and then we'll add the name. Like that. Okay. That should be good. And then we will try running that. Python, or I guess Py, DWM, PyDump. Okay, and now we can open up our new table of where did it go? Why don't I just use this thing? Well, that was way easier. Skill, what did I name it? Skill data, there it is. Okay, here is our data. Well, it doesn't seem right, does it? Base damage 11, 16,700, that's not right at all. Oh. Oh. I know what I did wrong. Hold on. This skill data table is an address of another table, and we have to read that. So maybe so dir is not ftel in this case, it's actually read to GB. I guess we'll just say plus. Either way is legal in this instance. But we do need to do the from bytes to Indian. Next table dot tell, keep that in mind, and then we have to seek back there. as we're seeking to here. And this doesn't need to be a GP anymore. Perfect. Five 5541 CF. Looks correct. But the numbers are off. Still. Bit odd. Doesn't seem like it sought its way there properly. Maybe this data is not what I think it is. Go to destination. Not go to destination. Go to memory editor. So it's 41CF. So yeah, it's not quite that. What we want then is to say how do I do this? I think I can say it like this, right? Say GB. Folder. Thought I had a thing for that, but I guess not. Oh, that's fine. Control U. Why is Control U not work sometimes? Oh, because I've gone to a different file. You know what? I'm gonna need to. From parts, that's what I want. Okay. Okay, that should be correct. Or it can die. Unsupported format string. Passed in method dot format. Oh, because it's a function. There we go. Much better, much better. Yeah, 12, and then the max out of 3. Or 7 with a max out of 5. So the left one's always higher, so I get the feeling that that's the critical. And the other one is the normal. I don't want to say that that's true, but it could be. Not that button, this button. Blaisville sure gets up there. Yeah. Cool. This is really good to have. Heal all 999. I guess that's the most HP you can have. I don't think that's true though, is it? Is it? I'm not actually sure. I suppose it would be. All the stats cap at 999 max, right? Well, I think some cap earlier, but like 999 is like the hard cap. Make a magic 0. It's interesting. It must do the damage a special way. Vacuum is 0 as well. Rain slash is 0. It's interesting. All the family-based cuts are 0 as well. I suppose they go through whatever attack goes through, which is also 0, so that would be why. And all these things named after items randomly have data in here. How many book has to crit? Presumably. Interesting. Okay. Okay, well we did good. I'm happy with this. We found cool stuff. And I have a better idea how to format skill information in the database thingy that I'm making. Lately. There is a lot more data here that I guess we'll have to figure out eventually. Naruhodoing, yes. I wonder what all this could be. Oh! The first one looks like an index, doesn't it? Of what its base skill is, kind of. Except it's like you know, index into somewhere else where it does that sort of thing, I guess. I do have that information somewhere. Skill evolved to base this thing. Yeah, but it's not that. It's like the skill family, I guess you could say. Skill family. The first one here. And these are all 13 to sacrifice, and these are 23, 22. Huh. Last one's always 2 or 3. This one's 3. Antidote. Curse off 3. Oh, that could be the target. O2's hitting enemies to get heal. There's a heal somewhere. These are all O2 still. Hustle. Nope. Well, I'm not sure. Maybe we can look into more of this data next time. Figure out what it could be. Are the unknown 2's all 0? Yes. Okay. Unknown 3 isn't though. FFs. Why are those not where 7s go? How strange. I think all the FFs are the weird ones though, so that makes some sense. Oh, those are still weird ones. Comedy book is still a weird one. Okay, the FFs are mostly weird ones. Oh, there's some more though. Huh. Oh no, Days is still a weird one. Heal Us All isn't. The normal one. Huh. Strange, strange, strange. Well, we'll look at that more next week, probably. That's it for today. I need to go to Guardian Tales. Thanks for coming, everyone. Have a good night. Bye-bye.